Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make fish soup. First, select fresh, firm fish fillets like cod or snapper, about 1.5 pounds. You'll also need a variety of vegetables such as carrots, celery, and leeks, roughly 2 cups chopped. Don't forget fresh herbs like dill or parsley for a vibrant flavor. Having everything ready before you start makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. A great fish soup starts with an exceptional broth. Begin by gently sautéing 1 medium onion and 2 cloves of garlic in a tablespoon of olive oil until fragrant. Then, add about 2 pounds of fish bones and any vegetable trimmings, covering them with 8 cups of cold water. Bring it to a gentle simmer, letting it cook for about 30 minutes. Remember to skim off any foam that rises to the surface for a beautifully clear broth. Now, let's bring your soup together. First, carefully strain your homemade broth through a fine mesh sieve, discarding the solids. Return the clear broth to the pot and add your diced vegetables, such as 1 cup of carrots and 1 cup of celery. Simmer them for about 10 minutes until they are tender crisp. Finally, add your fish fillets, poaching them gently for 5 to 7 minutes until they are cooked through and flake easily. To finish your delicious fish soup, taste and adjust the seasoning with salt, freshly ground black pepper, and a squeeze of fresh lemon juice. This brightens all the flavors. Ladle the hot soup into bowls and garnish generously with fresh chopped parsley or dill for a burst of color and aroma. It's perfect with a slice of crusty bread. For more great kitchen tips and deals, including a link to the Owala water bottle, check the description below this video.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.